Hey friends, this is Atif Val and welcome to the update on MultiversX. For the past few days, the price line of MultiversX is getting rejected by this downtrend and resistance. And if you take a look at the smaller time frame on a 4-hour time frame chart, then recently the price line of MultiversX has formed this ascending triangle. Here we have found this upper trend line support, and here we have the resistance of this ascending triangle. And now the movement is getting squeezed inside this triangle. Therefore, I'm expecting that soon it can break this pattern. And if you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here you can see that the price line is getting accumulated above this previous downtrend and resistance. That is, in fact, the resistance of a big descending triangle. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then this was the descending triangle that the price line broke out, and then we had a nice pump, but the price line got rejected by this long-term resistance of $55 and again drop down, and now it is again testing this previous resistance of the triangle that is now acting as a support. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Sleepless AI, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can watch when I shared this signal. Like this signal I shared on 11th of Feb 2025. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup, buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and reached the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of MultiversX. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several days, it is getting rejected by this downtrend and resistance. And while moving to the downside, we have broken down this very significant support zone that starts from $22.36 and goes to $20.50. And now this support zone can act as a very strong resistance, because if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that since after the month of August 2023, up till now, up till the month of almost at the mid of Feb 2025, it had been working as a very strong support zone. By the way, up till the first week of March 2025, it had been working as a very strong support zone. And finally, we broke it down after a few years. After almost 2 years, we have broken it down, and now it can work as a very strong resistance for the price line of MultiversX. And by the way, the significance of this resistance zone is very high, because it is also the recent swing low point before the breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern. Therefore, we need to break it out as soon as possible. Now, if you take a look at the smaller time frame on a 4-hour time frame chart, here we have the formation of another ascending triangle. And if we take a look at the targets, in case of breaking down the support of the triangle, the technical target will be here. That will be approximately at $16.20, very close to the previous low of 11th of March. That was approximately at $16.22, almost there. And in case of breaking out the resistance of the triangle, the technical target to the upside will be here. That will be approximately at $20.61. Therefore, we can expect that if the price then breaks out this triangle, then soon we may see another attempt to break out this resistance zone very soon to break it out. Now, if you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here for the past several days or weeks, the price is getting rejected by this downtrend and resistance. And you can see that this time, this resistance will work as a very strong hurdle or resistance for the price. And along with this long-term resistance that starts from $20.50 and goes to $20.36. Therefore, it will be quite difficult, very tough for the price to break out this resistance zone and this downtrend and resistance. However, if the price breaks it out, then we may see a very nice or powerful relief rally to the upside. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And if the price then will be recovered back, breaks out this resistance line and this downtrend and resistance, then we can expect that sooner or later the price then can hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. And that long-term target will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $300. So this was the update so far I hope that you'll like the analysis, then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.